If you're having issues with the phone mount gripping your phone, if you try and tighten it up and it just starts to slip, that means your quick adjust button could be stripped out. So to replace that, slide the phone mount open, put your Allen wrench in this little set screw, then we're going to undo it. Take that all the way out. That's the stop that prevents the phone mount from completely sliding apart. We flip it over and open it very slowly. There's going to be a spring that's going to want to pop out. So there's the spring. There's a good chance that'll shoot out on you. Once that's apart, take your old button, throw it away, get your new button, make sure the spring is still in that slot, place the button in there, and then you need to line up the dovetails. So there's a dovetail on this piece and a dovetail on this piece. And then this threaded rod goes into the slot in the center. So put the threaded rod in the slot, slide them together. Once it can't go any further, you press the button down and then the mount will slide together. Flip it over, then we put our set screw back in. You want the set screw to just be below the surface of the phone mount. But the phone mount should still slide open and close. If you put this in too far, then it won't slide anymore.